We have a pressure washer, gun holder, nozzle holder. Have another nozzle right here. Gonna put that through. Get your nut, twist it on. This is cool, you guys. This is gonna be fun, cool, exciting. 1, 2, and then 3. However you wanna hook this up, this is your choice. If you wanna put this connector in the middle and then these two on the side, you can. It's nothing to take it back apart and put it back together. Turn around on the back, they give you 6 holes. Screws and anchors. Flip it right side up. This is your plate right here where you hold in all of your bottles or whatever substance, rubber to hold in your nozzles, hold in your guns. And then you got your other attachments that you slide on here, and we'll get into that. Make your marks. All right, perfect. Circle here, and then the pencil breaks, and then circle here. And now we're in. We're leveled, we're on, everything is good. Pull it back. Set this one right there. It's a little bit smaller than the actual bottle, but you can just put it in here and put it in an angle. Soap mixed with water when I'm changing my tires. And we are just there. The only issue is I have it too close to my mirror, so I have to move this over, and I'm dropping everything. Right? And then I could put here that, and there you go, just to give you an idea of how many bottles you could fit on here. Putting them in. It's fitting right through the rubber boot. Now, perfect. All right, I have an extension right here. I could put my extension, put it in. All right, you guys, and that will be it. Again, quick review. You have your top shelf right here. You can hold in all of your cleaning bottles, whatever you use to clean your car. Right here is your bottom side where you could put all of your spray nozzles in there, okay? Nozzle tips. On the front side right here, you can put all your pressure washer guns. And that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.